Digi-Touch Cool technology. Easy to use controls. Samsung Digi-Touch Cool refrigerator. It comes in 10 different colorways. Midnight Blossom Blue, Midnight Blossom Red, Midnight Blossom Black, Paradise Bloom Purple, Paradise Bloom Blue, Luxe Brown, Luxe Black, Rhythmic Twirl Red, Rhythmic Twirl Blue, and Pebble Blue. It is available in 192-liter, 198-liter, 220-liter, and 225-liter. And it is 3-star, 4-star, and 5-star rated for energy saving. It features Digi-Touch Cool, digital inverter, stabilizer free, and smart connect inverter. Enjoy quick and intuitive control with a Digi-Touch Cool control panel. It alerts you about power cuts and restores any temperature loss. It also helps save energy with an eco mode and a door alarm. And defrost saves time and effort defrosting, while Power Cool rapidly cools food and drinks. Our digital inverter compressor runs at 7 different speeds for various situations. Smart technology that changes your life. Its inbuilt stabilizer free operation protects the refrigerator by preventing electrical damage or voltage fluctuations. The Smart Connect inverter enables the refrigerator to run on home inverters during power cuts. What you get is significant amount of energy saving, along with long-lasting freshness. Samsung found a new power source, solar energy. Samsung's range of solar connector refrigerators is powered by solar energy and runs on solar energy. It lets you save money while protecting the environment. We design your home of everyday life. Samsung Digi-Touch Cool refrigerator.